I'm scared of Chalk Hill.
What, it's gravel now?
Yeah, it's ice.
Oh.
In today's video, we're riding with my friend Nick. He's just bought this 1200 Triumph Scrambler.
Yeah,
It's brand new to him, he's not taken on any trails yet, but he's super keen to do so. We absolutely think it's mad, but here we go. We're riding in December in England, down in Surrey. It's only just snowed a few days ago, so on these trails there's still snow left. The ground is absolutely rock hard. We're going to see how we get on. I'm already finding it quite slippy, so God knows what Nick's feeling on that bike. 200 kilograms of weight and high pressures because he's forgotten to take some pressure out the tyres.
You good?
Yeah, it's just this keeps tangling my leg. Then it means I can't stand up. I've just realised something. The reason why I'm sliding around so much and it's not quite, it's a bit bouncy like quickly. I've got front tyre pressure.
Oh, of course
I've
you
got
have.
40 psi.
Oh, how much? 30?
Huh?
What? 30?
40.
40? Bloody hell.
Yeah. Should have let some out really.
I got like 10.
Yeah, can you imagine if I had 20? Yeah, I need like 20.
Wow. Yeah. 40 psi. Almost like a bloody trampoline. Wow.
Back it.
Oh my days. Oh my. Wow,
It did it.
So much shallower.
Yeah.
Wow.
Fair play to the Scrambler and fair play to Nick. Usually this time of year we won't see any big bikes on these trails. They're far too slippery and muddy and rutted. However, this Scrambler and Nick are absolutely bombing it through. Big puddles and slippy slopes.
Yeah, let's go back there just in case I have to split from Thompson.
Here's see what this is like. It's snowing. I believe that is snowing.
So given it's Nick's first time off-roading on this bike, it definitely shows that you can ride the trails around Surrey and England on these bigger bikes with no issues whatsoever. Nick has about a year's of off-roading experience and he's handling this bike with absolutely no problem. I don't have too much footage to show because we did take it easy throughout the day and it also was heavily raining and a bit of snow which ruined the quality of the footage. If you want to see some more footage of this bike off-roading, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon because we're going to be off-roading this bike way more in the future. This is just the tip of the iceberg. So that wraps it up for this short video. I just wanted to show you that you definitely can ride Triumph Scrambler on the trails around England. There's nothing stopping you whatsoever. The only modifications Nick's made so far, I believe, is just some hybrid tyres, but they're more leaned to off-roading. But other than that, the bike is standard, and you can definitely get on these trails. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like and leave a comment down below with some thoughts of your own, which I can respond to. Thank you very much for watching.